Greetings everyone! In today's video, we will quickly learn how you can redirect 404 error pages to a custom URL. So instead of this error message or page not found, we will redirect it to another URL. Let's get started. For more WordPress content, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Now to redirect 404 error, let's open our website. So this is our demo website. And if I go to random URL, it says page not found. So instead of displaying this, let's redirect it to any other page. You can redirect it to a home page or contact page or any other page. So to do the redirection, let me quickly log in to its dashboard, wp-admin. Enter the credentials. So we are in the dashboard. So to redirect the 404 error page, we need to add some custom codes. For that, go to Appearance and Theme File Editor. Go to Theme Functions. Scroll down, and we will add some codes here. So here is the code. Basically, this code will redirect any 404 error page to this URL. I will change this to home URL, but you can use any URL. And this is 301 per minute redirection. After this, copy the code and paste it into the theme functions. Update file. So it is updated. Let me refresh this page and see if it redirects or not. So you can see the redirection is working. This code will work with all the pages that do not exist, as you can see it here too. And you can redirect to any URL you want, even to external URLs. Anyway, we hope this video was useful. Thank you very much.